Alright, so the first step to this is finding which way you're comfortable. Goofy, as I ride, or standard, as I used to ride. Now, you always want to kick it to the back. So, I kick with my left foot, because I'm goofy, and I kick with my right foot if I was standard. You kind of want to keep doing that. You want to do this, get the rotation down. Also, you should probably start trying to do this after you get the rotation and this down. You should try to go like that and hop onto the deck. Do that a couple times, and then start whipping, and then kick your feet. Okay, and do that a couple times, and then after you get used to that, you just land it. So, hope you all have good luck. Peace out.